2 years after the introduction of our worldwide success, the Bobby Backpack, we'd like you to meet our latest generation in anti-theft bags, the Bobby Urban. During our last campaigns, over 20,000 backers helped us to bring the Bobby Backpack to life, and all pledges were sent out within 2 months after the campaign ended. Since then, we have successfully delivered over 50,000 extra Bobby backpacks to individual consumers all over the world. Surveys have shown that 97% of them are happy with our delivery and overall customer service. We are receiving glowing reviews every day on our products. The Bobby Urban is the perfect travel companion when finding your way through the urban jungle. Made entirely out of anti-cut material, this bag is impenetrable to thieves. Not only is the main fabric cut-proof, but the top lining includes an integrated steel bar and is made from special anti-cut webbing. Hiding all zippers when closing the bag makes it impossible to get in. The steel reinforced lock will seal the deal by locking up the bag whilst carrying it. When not carrying the bag, simply use this same steel lock to secure the bag to any fixed object to prevent it from being stolen. The Bobby Urban is also water repellent, making it your favourite rugged companion inside and outside of the city. Bring all the gear you need and use the inside dividers to keep your stuff organised, including the easy access water bottle pocket on the outside. It offers large capacity, flexible usage and can hold up to 27 litres when fully packed, adjusting its shape to its content. Need even more capacity? Simply fix the net at the front of the bag to add more. You can easily take the Bobby Urban with you on all your travels using the luggage strap. Keep all your essentials close by and easily accessible while staying secure with the RFID protected hidden pocket. Here at XD Design, we want to design products that free you from your everyday fears. The Bobby Urban keeps you safe, protected, organised and on the move. Live more, worry less.